Okay, so we are going to make a spreadsheet which is like a record of who is going to be coming to our party. Now, it's a bit of a funny party because we're going to charge ticket prices for it. And this is what you're going to get to begin with. You're going to get this table, okay, which contains information about the name of the people who have been invited, whether they are going to come, so this will be yes or no, the type of ticket, and how much that ticket is going to cost. Then in this second page, we have a bit of personal information. Okay, and I'm going to remove this column because I want to show you how to put that column in a minute. But we've got name, age, and address, and we'll use some of that information. Okay, so first thing we want is to put a drop-down menu into this column for yes or no. Either they are coming or they aren't coming. So we highlight all of those cells, we right-click, and we're going to use data validation to do this. So click on data validation, list of items, and then in this box we can say the things that we want to see in that list of items. So in this case we want to see yes, comma, no. Now you can put spaces in, but it absolutely doesn't matter as long as you have the comma dividing the two words. For this, I would say don't reject the input. It can cause us some problems and we don't want them. And I think it's pretty straightforward, so nobody needs any help with it, hopefully. So we can say save. And now we have these drop downs, which is kind of handy. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to think about this column. Now I'm only going to do part of it in this video and I'll do part of it in a subsequent video. But we want to have either an adult ticket or a child ticket displayed there. Okay. And we want the computer to sort of make that decision for us. So we're going to do it using this table. Okay. First thing we're going to want to do is right-click on the C column and insert one column to the right. And we'll call this one ticket type. We're going to use an if statement to make a decision about the type of ticket that this person is going to have. Now, to an extent, you can make this up yourself, but generally speaking, when you become a teenager, lots of businesses and companies and buses and what have you will start to consider you an adult. So I'm going to say when you are 12, you are an adult for the purposes of this. Okay, so I'm going to say if bracket this cell is less than or equal to 12. So we'll say 12 is still a child, 13 is no longer a child. So if that cell is less than or equal to 12, comma, then we have our true value. Okay, so if that is the case, then they are a child and they're going to get a child ticket, comma, and then we have our false value, adult ticket. And you'll notice child ticket right here and adult ticket right here, they're in speech marks because it's text. Okay? We then close the bracket and press enter. And it tells us that that's a child ticket. Then we can save ourselves a bunch of time now by just grabbing that blue square, dragging it all the way down. And you can see 12 child ticket, 34 adult ticket, 23 adult ticket, 11 child ticket, 10 child ticket, 8 child ticket. It's done that job for us. Okay, that's where I'm going to leave it with video number 1. We have this column still to do, and I'll do that in the next lesson, in the next video rather. And we've got our ticket price to think about as well. That's it. Thank you very much.